Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet these big size rows. So for this project I am using multicolor 4-ply yarn and 2.5 mm crochet hook. So let's get started. At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 91, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now here we have got 91 chain. Now make more 5 extra chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. So count 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make 1 double crochet. Skip 2 chain and make double crochet. Make 2 chain, 1 and 2, 3, make 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. This is the V shape. So make the V stitch. Skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet in same. So the pattern is skip 2 chain at first, then make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet in same. So this is the V stitch. Now continue up to end. Now in the end, skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in the last. Then make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet in same. Now we have completed all the V stitches. Now work for second round. Now make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 5 double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now here is total 6 double crochet including this chain. Then make single crochet in this gap. Now make 6 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. make single crochet in this gap. So in this first V stitch, make 6 double crochet. Now make 8 double crochet in the next chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. Make 8 double crochet in the next V chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So the pattern is make 8 double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So continue 8 double crochet in each chain space. Just don't work in this last 2 V stitch. Now in this last 2 V stitch, make 10 double crochet. Make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make single crochet and again make 10 double crochet in this last V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now give a knot, pull the yarn and cut it. Now fold the rows like this. First fold this petal, then fold all the way around like this. It is big size flower, so it makes shape automatically, but you have to make it little bit tight but not too much. So fold like this. Now insert this yarn in the needle. Now turn the work and stitch all the layers together like this. Just to join all the petals together like this. So this is the rose. Thanks for watching.